Guys, you see that? This is this is the road going to work this morning, okay? These are the side roads that I always take to work. Listen, guys, it's not normal. So while they clean the major roads where the buses drives, um, these side roads are not yet clean. They are yet to be cleaned. Guys, look, it is so messy. The car is literally skidding and all of that. Trust me, it is not easy to navigate this. Okay, you have to be literally careful driving through these parts. People are still out cleaning their yards and things like that. Oh, look, you hear that brake? The ice is underneath the thing, and it is hard to even break up. My goodness. Listen. And this is not the worst snowstorm. The worst one I've ever been in was in the pandemic, where buses, cars, vehicle on a whole, they all stuck for days. In the roadway. Nothing moved, nothing. We were like digging out buses because it was pandemic. We had no work, so we have time on our hands. So we were like, me and the kids, we had nothing to do. So we went on the road and we were like helping people to dig them out. And it takes us hours to get them out. Some didn't even get to get out because they were literally covered, but I think it's in ourselves to go and help. So this is not the worst one yet since I'm here, but yeah, this one is not that bad, but still not good. Yes, I'm just showing you the day after, and work has been resumed. Today's PA day for children in the school, but because we are in the daycare of it, we had to go because parents had to go to work, so we just have to go. I don't think we have a lot of children today, but if it's even one or two, we still have to work. So yeah, I'm on my way there, and I'm just showing you why we're going and how it looks the day after. Oh, this, yeah, this guys. So this is Canada for you. You just have to acclimatize your mind to the situation. People like back home will be thinking, oh, you guys manage and all of that. From outside looking in, it looks like, oh, I can't do this. But if you're here, especially for over a period of time, it just becomes a way of life, It's not stressful to us because this is what we adjust ourselves to it. So we just know that this is Canada, and this is what we have to face 8 months of the year. Yeah, maybe not this much, but yeah, we only have 4 months of summer and 8 months of winter. So our winter season, because not real winter, but I even call the spring and the fall as winter because it can get cold sometimes, so I count those as well. So just have to get used to it, and that is why when you go back home to wherever you're from that have tropical weather and you're complaining about the heat, people are saying, watch him. I want like say whatever. No, guys, please don't be hard on us. You just have to come here to understand what to be here for years or even a couple months and facing the school and get used to it, and then to go back to a hot weather. It's not easy, you know. It's not easy. So if you see your people come back home and they're saying, oh my god, I'm so hot, and complaining or whatever, please don't look down on them or judge them or things like that. It's really hot, because imagine this is ice, ice, literally ice. You're walking on, you're driving on, you walk ice, you breathe ice, you inhale ice, everything ice and cool. And then to come out in a hot weather, it's not easy, so have a little mercy on us. Have a little mercy on us, and please understand. Here's a man using his snow plow. Now here, teachers are out in their numbers. Yeah, so teachers are here. You just gotta come out same way, whether children are at school, yes or no. You just have to be out. So yeah, this is it, guys. I'm here. Thank you for coming on my journey today, and I hope you like this video. Have a blessed day. And this is Navi from Forever Fern. I've been out for some time, but yeah, things happen and things are happening, but yeah, we'll get by, okay? So I'll catch you guys in another video. Bye for now, and see you guys later. Peace out. Bye.